Cute. Mo. My bitch bad for real. She want Gucci Chanel. Gotta for me for real. I need to see some skills. She gon' crash. Five ho. These niggas 5-0. Try to call 12 on me. Slide out the back door. I need to know the deal.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Wait, let me turn this around because my room is not done. And oh, by the way, if you haven't checked out my room makeover, just check that video out. That makes sense. If you haven't seen my room makeover after college, check that out, part 1. And I got y'all with part 2. I promise. Like, some of my stuff didn't come because of the coronavirus, so some of my stuff haven't come yet. I just got my bed. Like, I need to still get my dresser, my vanity set. I think I want a rug in here. It's a whole bunch of stuff that I just still need to piece together, so bear with me. I promise I'm putting up part 2. But yeah, I had to turn it around. Anyway, this video today is gonna, sorry I'm not sitting down. I just got so much energy right now. I'm gonna sit down, I promise, to do my makeup. Y'all gonna see. But I'm showing y'all my everyday look. And this is not my everyday look because I don't really wear makeup, but I had hair on my lashes. I'm all over the place. Anyway, I don't really wear makeup that much. I'm really trying to get into it. So this would be my everyday look. A tiny bit of foundation, brows done, no eye makeup, lashes, a simple lip liner and gloss. So yeah, I'm showing you guys my everyday makeup.